Look at how many people here. See? Look at the bridge. It's full. Look. This is what I call sardine. Sardine. Everybody is in a happy mood. Weather is good. Looks like the cloud will hold. Very nice moon, shining. Later I'll film the fireworks using video because I think my camera cannot make it. Okay, see you later.